How do I get list of methods in a Python class? I want to iterate through the methods in a class, or handle class or instance objects differently based on the methods present. How do I get a list of class methods? Also see. How can I list the methods in a Python 2.5 module? Looping over a Python, IronPython object methods, finding the methods an object has. How do I look inside a Python object? How do I perform introspection on an object in Python 2.x? How to get a complete list of objects, methods and attributes? Finding out which functions are available from a class instance in Python?
An example, listing the methods of the optParse.optionParser class. Notice that getMembers returns a list of two tuples. The first item is the name of the member, the second item is the value. You can also pass an instance to getMembers.
There is the dirTheObject method to list all the fields and methods of your object, as a tuple, and the inspect module, as codeWrite, to list the fields and methods with their doc, in. Because everything, even fields, might be called in Python, I'm not sure there is a built-in function to list only methods. You might want to try if the object you get through dir is callable or not.
Python 3.x answer without external libraries. Dunder excluded result.
Say you want to know all methods associated with list class, just type the following. Above will give you all methods of list class.